called the Zillers 801. Look at this. Turn signal on the badge like that. I have a digital gauge with different information. It's like a Cyberpunk bike. This is how I lift the bike. Just by doing that. Zillers are world champions in custom bike design. 18-inch rims, everything bespoke. And BMW asked them specifically to make this project. So it's an official collaboration. Can any of you guess the price? $85,000. Let's start it on. Basically, make sure your electronics are on. This green light tells you it's on. And then lastly, the start. So get back. And now, no kickstand. You just lift it. And we're good.